Hey, Jamie, did you check the readings from the new infusion pump in room 4? I've noticed it's been fluctuating. It reminds me of the issue we had last week with the oxygen monitors, but this time, it's not just the flow rate that's inconsistent. The alarm system goes off sporadically, even though the dosage settings are correct.
Yeah, I did Mihira. At first, I thought it was just like the problem we had with the BP monitors last month, those false high-pressure readings, but it seems different. Did you recalibrate it?
I did it twice. The weird thing is that the primary function works fine when you set the flow manually, but the moment it switches to automatic, that's when the issues start. It's not a programming error because the software update from last week should have covered that. The alert system shouldn't be this sensitive unless there's an internal wiring fault.
That's strange, Mihira. So, it's not the flow, not the dosage, and the settings are fine manually. Could it be a sensor misalignment?
Exactly. It's the internal sensor not picking up the correct flow when on auto. I think we'll need to get it serviced.
Dealing with diabetes can feel incredibly overwhelming. MIHIRA, but understanding what is happening in the body is a wonderful first step toward taking control. The core difference between the two types comes down to why the body is struggling with blood sugar. With type 1 diabetes, the cause is typically genetic and often appears early in life. It is an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the cells in the pancreas that produce insulin, meaning the body cannot make its own insulin at all. On the other hand, type 2 diabetes is a condition that usually develops over time and is closely linked to lifestyle factors. In this case, the pancreas still produces insulin, but the body cells become resistant to it, or the pancreas simply cannot make enough to keep up. Managing type 2 diabetes is all about lifestyle changes. It starts with reducing sugar intake and maintaining a balanced diet rich in whole foods, alongside staying well hydrated. Regular physical exercise and achieving a sustainable weight loss can significantly improve how the body responds to insulin. Coupled with regular blood sugar monitoring, these daily choices empower you to manage the condition beautifully and live a vibrant, healthy life.